how to start self study because this is going to be a game changer. It does not require to study 16 hours a day or 18 hours a day. Timetable बनाते तो बहुत लगे पर follow नहीं कर पाते. Is must is must. You have to do it every day. This is the most asked question. से start करें क्या? अब से ही start करो. From day one, do it for yourself. This is your journey. This is your life. This is you. Daily. Yes, daily. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a NEET aspirant who wants to study at home but feel lost, unmotivated, or focused about where to start, so this video is going to be your ultimate guide. So today I am sharing a complete step-by-step self-study plan that actually works, not just theory, realistic tips, strategies, routine, and mindset shift that topper use. So grab your notebooks because this is going to be a game changer. So this plan is divided into 8 parts. So part 1 is understanding what needs really demand. Before we jump into study plans, let's understand NEET itself. NEET does not require to study 16 hours a day or 18 hours a day. It's required just a smart planning, consistency, repeated revision, MCQ practice, clear concepts. The syllabus is huge, but the exam asks questions from very specific areas. So our goal is not to study everything, but study exam oriented topics with strategy. So part 2 is about how to start self study. So here's the exact way to start your self study without confusion. So first is choose the right books. So for books, you have to go through NCERT for each and every subject. Means biology, you have to NCERT is like your Bible. You have to thoroughly go through your NCERT. Limit your source. Don't do extra कि मैं ये भी कर लूँ वो भी कर लूँ. Don't do that. You have to stick to NCERT. Go through it. Repeated reading of NCERT is must. You have to thoroughly go through your NCERT. I'm repeatedly saying to you. So for chemistry, of course, NCERT you can go through your coaching modules also. You can use the questions from that. So second is build a subject strategy. Biology is 60% memory based and 40% concepts are there for biology to understand. You have to read at least 2 pages every day for biology. And physical chemistry, formula is must. Go through your formula each and every day. Practice physical chemistry questions every day. 50 questions or 100 questions per day. And for organic mechanism reactions is मतलब इज इज मस्ट. एक चार्ट बना लो, एक पेपर पे लिख लो, रिएक्टर का नाम लिख लो या फिर दैट रिएक्शन लिख लो और यू हैव टू फील दैट फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स काइंड ऑफ आप बना लीजिए. मतलब यहाँ पे आपका रिएक्टर, यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट आप लिख लीजिए. फॉर इनऑर्गेनिक NCERT लाइज आर मस्ट. NCERT से ही क्वेश्चन आते हैं नीट में. सो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू योर NCERT ओनली. Yes. So third is start with NCERT. Only NCERT you have to start with your preparation. Highlight it, make a margin notes. Don't write anything or everything or line by line. Smartly make your notes, margin your notes, and keep a separate doubt books. If you are studying at home and reading your NCERT or you have some doubts in that, आप एक नोटबुक बनाइए जिसमें आप अपने डाउट्स लिख सकते हैं और आप टीचर से, अपने मेंटोर से वो क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. पार्ट 3 इज अबाउट क्रिएट अ डेली स्टडी रूटीन. टाइम टेबल बनाते तो बहुत लगे पर फॉलो नहीं कर पाते. So let me give you a simple 8-hour effective study routine which you can change according to yourself. So 2 hours for biology is must. 2 hours for biology, NCERT reading plus diagram go through. Go through your diagram also, which is very equally important as like your theory. 2.5 hour for physics. You have to concept builds first, then solve examples, then revise it. 2 hours for chemistry also, topic based practice you have to do, and 1.5 hour for MCQ practice. मिक्स सब्जेक्ट प्रैक्टिस कीजिए या फिर स्पेसिफिक कीजिए या फिर टॉपिक वाइज कीजिए या फिर चैप्टर वाइज कीजिए. दिस इज अप टू यू. इज मस्ट. You have to do it every day. You have to like solve thousands of questions each and every day. Thousand plus, I say thousand and plus question you have to solve every day. So 1.5 hours for MCQs is must. If you are in school or college, adjusting time according to yourself. Keep the structure. If you are studying a new chapter, if you are starting your preparation, you have to follow this structure, which is make a concept building first, then notes taking, then practice this topic, and then revise it. So part 4 is about the right way to make notes. This is the most asked question. Notes कैसे बनाएं? So notes should be short, simple, and exam focused. सब कुछ लिख रहे हैं, line to line लिख रहे हैं. This is not going to work, guys. You have to make your short notes according to yourself and और एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड होने चाहिए, सिंपल होने चाहिए, जो कि आप अंडरस्टैंड कर सके. आज भी, आज के एक महीना बाद भी आपको वो नोट समझ में आने चाहिए. So your notes must include flowchart, tables, short tricks, common mistakes. Also, your mistakes are also included in your notes. So you can write your PYQs in your notes, or you have to make a mistake book. You have to. बहुत लोगों ने बोला है, मैं भी बोल रही हूँ. You have to make a mistake book, which very important for your exam. So how your mistake book look like actually? If you are solving a question paper, if it is topic wise or like chapter wise क्वेश्चन आप क्वेश्चन पेपर आप सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, सो आपने जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हैं वो आपको एनालाइज करने हैं. पहले आपने वो कैसे राइट किए और कैसे रॉन्ग किए. यू हैव टू एनालाइज योर क्वेश्चन पेपर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. जो रॉन्ग आपने क्वेश्चंस किए, जो रॉन्ग है आपके आंसर्स, उसे आप अपने मिस्टेक बुक में लिखिए, और नेक्स्ट पेपर जाने से पहले आप अपनी मिस्टेक बुक को गो थ्रू कीजिए कि आप वो मिस्टेक दोबारा ना करें. सो दिस इज अबाउट योर मिस्टेक बुक. एंड डोंट राइट NCERT लाइन्स. NCERT लाइन्स क्यों लिखने हैं नोट्स में? NCERT रीड करो, उसमें आप ऐड कर दो ना. जस्ट ऐड व्हाट हेल्प्स यू. डोंट रीराइट NCERT लाइन्स. So part 5 is about MCQs, PYQs, and test series. This is where the most students go wrong. Self-study not only work when you practice questions. So how to practice questions or how to practice MCQs? Start after reading topics. You have completed one topic, so start doing their related questions. You have to solve 50 to 80 questions daily. Daily. Yes, daily. Make your mistake and note it down in your mistake book as I told you earlier. So for PYQ, solve the last 10 years questions. I use this errorless from Disha Foundation for my NEET preparation. You can use OSWAL 38 year PYQs also. Yeah, this is for your preparation. This is for your PYQs. They show the exact pattern of your exam. Start giving test early as possible. Start giving the test. Even if you score low, tests are not to judge you, they train you. So do early as possible. अब अभी तो नीट, अभी दिसंबर चल रहा है, अभी नीट तो पास ही है. स्टार्ट गिविंग द फुल syllabus के mock paper. This is very important for your NEET preparation. Don't give excuses कि मेरा तो completed है ये topic, मैं कैसे दूंगी. Don't do that. अगर आपका कवर नहीं है सिलेबस अभी भी, तो आप देने कभी आप दीजिए, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कीजिए. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर नीट प्रिपरेशन. सो गो थ्रू योर फुल लेंथ मॉक टेस्ट. Part 6 is about the revision strategy. Self-study without revision is waste of time and waste of your efforts also. So revision is very important for your NEET preparation. And कब से start करें क्या? अब से ही start करो. From day 1 you have to start your revision. Use the 3-7-15 rule. Day 1, if you are read a topic, you learn a topic. So day 3 you have to revise it again. Day 7 revise again, and day 15 revise it again. Make the short term memory into long term memory. Take it into your subconscious mind that remain in your memory for long term. So follow this rule for your revision. Create a separate revision notebook if you want to, or take a diary and note it down as comfortable you are. So part 7 is about to avoid the common mistake which mostly happen in your NEET preparation. Most NEET aspirant fail because they first keep switching books. Stick to limited source. Watch unlimited motivational videos. Guys, मोटिवेशन आपको कोई और नहीं देगा. मोटिवेशन वो है जो आप खुद को दोगे. यू हैव टू मोटिवेट योर ओन सेल्फ. मोटिवेशन खुद के अंदर से आना चाहिए. मोटिवेट आप अपने पेरेंट्स को देखकर हो सकते हो, आपके फैमिली को देखकर हो सकते हो. गाइज, द रेयर वन वेयर द वाइट कोट एंड यू आर बिकमिंग द वन. सो मोटिवेट योर सेल्फ. कोई और आपको मोटिवेट नहीं करेगा. थर्ड इज डोंट प्रैक्टिस फिजिक्स. फिजिक्स की प्रैक्टिस करना मस्ट है. आप अटकोगे, आप पहले देखकर सॉल्व कीजिए, फिर आपको बिना देख के सॉल्व करना है. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस फिजिक्स डेली. स्टडी विदाउट अ टाइम टेबल इज ऑल्सो अ बिग मिस्टेक. इग्नोर एनसीईआरटी. आप मॉड्यूल्स मिले आपको नए नए कोचिंग से, आप मॉड्यूल्स को प्रिफर करोगे. डोंट डू दिस. मॉड्यूल्स में बहुत ज़्यादा दिया होता है, डीप में दिया होता है, उतना नहीं पूछते हैं नीट में. यू हैव टू stick to your NCERT from day one and day last of your NEET preparation. Day 1 से last तक आपको NCERT ही follow करनी है. And the last mistake is compare their journey with others. You don't have to compete with others. You have to compete with yourself. So don't do this for others. Do it for yourself. This is your journey. This is your life. This is you. Do it for yourself. Yes. And keep motivate yourself daily. You can read affirmations and I am telling you डेली एक्सरसाइज करो, खुश रहो. दिस इज द ये आपको डेली करना है. और कुछ करो ना करो पर ये मत कर, ये ज़रूर करना, डेली करना. खुश रहना, खुद को खुश रखना एंड एक्सरसाइज भी करो. एटलीस्ट 15 मिनट्स और 30 मिनट्स एक ग्राउंड में चक्कर लगा के आओ. कुछ स्पोर्ट्स खेलो. डेली एक्सरसाइज करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आप पढ़ाई भी करो बट खुद का ख्याल रखना और खुद को तंदुरुस्त रखना भी आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. आपको डॉक्टर बनाए, पहले पेशेंट मत बन जाना, बता रही हो. एंड स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन योर प्लान. And part 8 is about the mindset and the motivation. Self study is tough, I know, but not impossible. Remember, every topper had felt the same fear and the same pressure, but they keep motivating, they keep moving. So, जोर लगा दो यार अपना. फुल जोर लगा दो, फुल एनर्जी लगा दो. दिस इज द टाइम एंड यू हैव टू मेक और यू हैव टू ब्रेक. रिमेंबर, make small goals, stay consistent and trust your efforts. You don't need a fancy setup or expensive books or coaching. Even online on YouTube free mein you can continue your study. You need a discipline and belief in yourself. If this video helped you, do like, share and subscribe and support to my channel. Comment below if you want my 8-hour timetable or a full NEET study plan. Good luck guys, good luck future doctors. Your journey begins today. Let's crack it.